As a little addendum to the regular video I produced to go over this example, there's a couple other techniques that we could use too. So with that in mind, we're going to take a look at this once again. So we had said standard form was ax plus by equals c. And slope-intercept form was y equals mx plus b. Now, when we solve this equation that's in standard form for the letter y, it will go into this form. So let's do that. So there's the equation, and now we want to solve for y. So we do that by bringing the 5x over to the other side. And we're going to put it right next to the equal sign. And we just write the 15 right there. So all we did is take this term, transpose it to the other side, and change its sign too, by the way. There we go. Now, to solve for a positive y, we're going to divide everything by the coefficient of y, which is a negative 15. But we have to do that for every term. Now, this has to be a negative. That's why it's critical. Be sure you check your signs. So this then becomes a positive y. Here this reduces to a positive 1/3 x. And this becomes a negative 1. Now in the other video I did say that was the equation of this equation in slope-intercept form. Now a technique for graphing, remember we said we could graph it by making an x and y intercept t-chart, where we put a 0 there and a 0 there. And right from the standard form, if x is a 0, this will be a negative 1. And if y is a 0, x is a 3. Now, when we look at the graph here, and again, these graphs are already made, and this designation of the y-intercept is there as well, which we get right from our t-chart, which we get right from our slope-intercept form, where b is the y-intercept. But the official way to write that, as we said, is 0, b. So 0, negative 1, that's where it crosses the y-intercept. And then another technique we hadn't gone over is to just plot the slope, where it's a ratio of y elements over x elements, and it's positive. So we're going to go over 3, up 1, and that happens to be our x-intercept, where the line will cross it. So again, I wanted to cover this just a little bit more, and I will have it as an addendum on our regular lesson.